Once overshadowed by gold, silver has emerged as the star performer of 2025, surging 85% year to date, outperforming nearly every other major asset class from equities to real estate to cryptocurrencies. Silver prices recently hit an all-time record high of $54.50 per ounce. Since then, silver has eased 14%, slipping from above $54 to just below $47 per ounce. A decisive breakout heading into year end that now looks increasingly likely. And the technical picture that points towards prices being catapulted as silver prepares for its next major leg higher. Silver's investment profile that differs sharply from gold's. Now, whilst gold thrives on its monetary heritage, silver's modern power that lies in its indispensable industrial utility. The white metal that sits at the heart of the world's most transformative industries: clean energy, artificial intelligence, defense, solar, and high-tech manufacturing. According to the Silver Institute, global demand that climbed to 993 million ounces in 2016 to 1.16 billion in 2024, flipping a surplus into a deepening structural deficit. Structural deficits, they're now colliding with a once-in-a-generational demand boom. A clean break above $50 per ounce, a key historical resistance level, that unlocks a direct path back towards $54.50 per ounce. Once that gives way, $75 and even $100 per ounce silver, that becomes long-term supercycle targets. Whilst demand surges, the macro backdrop that is supercharging the rally. The US dollar has dropped more than 11% in 2025, the steepest annual decline since the early 1970s. Trump's Liberation Day policies, record fiscal deficits, and intensifying political pressures on the Federal Reserve, they have damaged the dollar's safe haven status. As confidence erodes, the shift into hard assets grows stronger by the day. Elsewhere, in a landmark move, the United States officially added silver, copper, and uranium to its critical mineral list, upgrading silver from a standard industrial commodity to a strategic resource essential to national security and technological independence. This reclassification could trigger government stockpiling and tax incentives, with over 70% of US silver refined overseas. China dominating global capacity, Washington's move adds a powerful new bullish catalyst. Silver now shares the same strategic tier as lithium and rare earth metals, a geopolitical boost that strengthens its long-term investment case. As if the bullish narrative needed further reinforcement, Saudi Arabia's central bank, they confirmed its first ever silver reserve purchase this summer, a monumental shift that signals central banks they are beginning to diversify beyond gold. Meanwhile, in the northwest Saudi Arabia near the Red Sea, a $5 billion mega data center project that aims to supply computing power across Europe. On the eastern coast, another multi-billion dollar complex that will serve AI developers in Asia and Africa. After decades of exporting oil, the kingdom is now preparing to export one of the most coveted resources of the digital era: computing power. Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, he is moving decisively. Executives from OpenAI to Google to Qualcomm to Intel to Oracle, they are already in discussions, and next month Prince Mohammed will visit the United States to deepen these ties. Silver, essential to high-performance electronics and power-intensive AI systems, that stands to benefit enormously from this shift. As global demand surges, supply is shrinking, worldwide output is falling, and experts predict record supply deficits for years to come. Silver production cannot keep pace with accelerating industrial demand. Mines are not expanding fast enough to fill the gap. With rate cuts looming, the dollar weakening, institutional flows accelerating, central bank interest rising, and supply deficits deepening, analysts at the Gold and Silver Club, they believe silver is entering its most lucrative accumulation phase in more than a decade. From now until year end could be the most rewarding stretch for the precious metals since the post-pandemic boom. Whichever way you look at it, one thing is clear: the macroeconomic backdrop for precious metals, it is looking more bullish than ever before, and it certainly won't take much for prices to reach new record highs in the coming weeks and months ahead. The opportunities for those who know how to navigate these markets with accuracy and precision, they are massive. In fact, it's times like these that make millionaires and billionaires out of regular people. Extraordinary times, they do create extraordinary opportunities. Right now, as traders, we are living through some of the most exciting and rewarding times ever in financial history. Whatever long-term goal you're looking to achieve through trading, whether that is to create a full-time income, replacing your day job, or multiplying your savings at an accelerated pace, the next 2 months, they are critical. The final quarter of 2025, that is already shaping up to be a blockbuster period fueled by historic macroeconomic catalysts. Here at the Gold and Silver Club, we are consistently banking over 10,000 points profit per month, which we have transparently documented through our weekly market updates. If you are trading at one lot, that's $100,000. If you're trading at 10 lots, that's $1 million. Our clients are living proof, as you can see from our testimonials. Our clients at the Gold and Silver Club, utilizing our proprietary research-driven trading approach, they have already locked in 6, 7, 8-figure returns this year, and we still have another 2 months left to go. Even the likes of Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, Bank of America, they have begun preparing their clients for what they predict could be the most lucrative final quarter of the year in modern history. In fact, the same can be said at the Gold and Silver Club. We've already briefed, prepared, and positioned our clients ready to make the final 2 months of the year their biggest and best yet. The only question is, will you join them? This is your moment. Don't let another year slip away with regret. Go to jointhegoldandsilverclub.com now to learn how our mentorship program can take your trading to the next level. Time, it is the most precious commodity that you will ever own. Don't waste it. The time to take action is now. As a member, you get access to our exclusive live trading room webinars. You get access to real-time trade ideas, access to institutional research and market intelligence, access to our private Members Academy website, and also support and one-to-one mentoring. For more information, just go to jointhelivetradingroom.com. The link is also below this report in the description. Just click on the link, make an application. We will get in touch ASAP.